I don't know what it is about these damn things, but people either steal the knobs or they steal these legs off of them. And I just put this thing up here, I'm like, that's strange. Why does this thing sit so low? What's the date on this? The 18th? It was put out a couple days ago. I saw it when it got put out. It disappeared. Somebody took the damn legs, maybe? I don't know. No, it looks like somebody had little rubber feet instead. So somebody set this one up. They removed the legs on purpose. They were trying to fit it in an area. It seems to be on monitor. Where's this monitor thing? VCR 2 and tape and phono. Phono doesn't seem to work. Okay. My CD doesn't work. Let's go phono. Phono works, tuner works, tape. Why does it not light up? FET. It shows over here, maybe that LED is burned out somehow. Must be. Okay. Well, I'm going to see if it powers. Oh, yeah. All right, I put the boots to this thing, and it's kicking out some heat. It sounds awesome, man. This thing sounds great. The fans on these are current sensing. They don't sense temperature. So the more current that you draw, the more the fan runs. This thing has a balancing input, which is sort of strange. I believe the LED for the CD is burned out. But this thing kicks butt, dude. Man, this is nice. So I get it turned all the way up to where it's hitting in that 150 range, and it pretty much stays at the 10. I don't know what this rear level thing, why I don't need it there, but interesting. So you got A on or off. I don't know if you can have both A and B. A lot of these you can't combine the two because the impedance will be in parallel. They don't have an extra set of channels for B, so the ohms will be half, and it can be a little bit too much on the amp. You know, they always talk crap about these audio chips that these use, the big huge blocks, the integrated amplifier chips. But why is it that every single one I've heard sounds amazing compared to these newer discrete component? I mean, like we look down in here, if we could see in there. And I guarantee this ain't going to sound anything like that. That Sony I just pulled out of there don't sound anything like this. This thing has gobs of bass. But you don't have to have too much bass. You can turn off the super bass. You can turn it on. You can crank the bass up here. Even with the super bass off and the bass all the way up, this thing still pounds. I mean, like if you like rap music, these are probably perfect. But I like lots of bass, and I'd rather be able to turn it down than not be able to add it. So this is awesome. This thing sounds beastly, dude. I don't think my speakers could handle specifically the subwoofer. I don't think I can handle what this thing will dish out. Although this thing was getting real warm real fast, so I wouldn't probably want to push this thing anywhere near its rated amount of output. So anyway, it works.